Guys, it's Kleb here, back with another video. In this video, we are going to have another fidget spinner video in this series, I think, yeah. Another fidget spinner video. In this video, we are going to be seeing if a fidget spinner can cut through Blue-tac. Hope you enjoy this video. Also, can we please hit 5 likes on this video? Actually, no, I'm not going to say that. Mom! Mom! How many likes should the people on this video have?
Sorry?
How many likes should the video have?
How many likes should the video have?
Should this video have? How many likes should it have?
I don't know, 1?
Okay, 1 like on this video, guys. That would be awesome. Okay, right, let's get into it. Alright, put the camera right here. I have this trusty contraption. Oh. This is not very trusty, is it? So this is my contraption that I've come up with to see if we can cut through this Blue-tac with a fidget spinner. Did it do it? Whoa, surprisingly, fidget spinner cannot cut through Blue-tac. Gonna give it another try, but instead, this try, we're just gonna, hang on, let me just put the camera right there. In this attempt, I guess, I'm gonna string it like between my 2 fingers. Hopefully this will work. It's not working, like, it seriously isn't working. Okay. I didn't think it would have to come to this. Okay. Spin it super fast. It's definitely denting it. So yeah, fidget spinner cannot cut through Blue-tac. It can dent it, but it just cannot cut through it. It's not strong enough. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.